Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. In this, we are going to discuss stability of metal complexes. Stability of metal complexes. The stability of coordination complexes can be interpreted in two ways. The first one is thermodynamic stability. Thermodynamic stability. Another one is kinetic stability. The thermodynamic stability of a coordination compound refers to free energy change. We know the symbol for free energy change is delta G, free energy change of a complex formation reaction. Thermodynamic stability of a coordination complex refer to free energy change of a complex formation reaction. Second one, there are two types of stability. Second one is kinetic stability. Kinetic stability. Thermodynamic stability. Second one is kinetic stability. The kinetic stability of a coordination compound refers to the ligand substitution. Ligand substitution. Ligand substitution. In some cases, complexes, coordination complexes can undergo rapid ligand substitution. In some complexes, the coordination complex undergo rapid ligand substitution. That type of complexes are called labile complexes. That type of complexes are called labile complexes. So, what is meant by labile complexes? The complexes in which rapid ligand substitution takes place is called labile complexes. The ligands, the complexes in which rapid ligand substitution takes place is called labile complexes. Another type of complexes are inert complexes. Inert complexes. So, these are complexes undergo ligand substitution. Ligand substitution. Ligand substitution very slowly. Very slowly. Ligand substitution very slowly. Or there is no substitution takes place. Or no substitution takes place. So, these complexes are called inert complexes. Totally, we have two types of stability. One is thermal stability, another one is kinetic stability. Thermodynamic stability of a coordination complex is referred to the free energy change of a complex formation reaction. Kinetic stability of a complex refers to the ligand substitution. Under ligand substitution, we have two types of complexes. One is labile complexes in which rapid ligand substitution takes place. Another one is inert complexes in which the ligand substitution is very slowly takes place, or in some time there is no substitution takes place. Now, based on this ligand substitution complex formation, now we are going to see stability constant. We are going to discuss stability constant. The symbol used is beta. The symbol used is beta. Stability constant beta. One more constant we are going to discuss, that is called instability constant. That is instability constant. The stability of a coordination complex is a measure of a resistance to the replacement of one ligand by another ligand. So, the stability of a coordination compound is a measure of its resistance to the replacement of one ligand by another. The stability of a complex refers to degree of association between two species involved in an equilibrium. The stability of a complex refers to the degree of association between two species involved in an equilibrium. Now we are going to see one complex formation reaction. What is that complex formation reaction? Copper 2 plus Cu2 plus combined with the 4 amine in an equilibrium reaction. It forms tetraamine copper 2 plus ion. It forms tetraamine copper 2 plus ion. For this reaction, for equilibrium reaction, we know how to write the Kc and the Kp. But for this reaction, we can write the stability constant beta equal to, our numerator is our product. What is our product? Concentration of Cu2 plus end, not concentration of Cu2 plus NH3 4 times 2 plus. This is our product divided by concentration of reactant. Our one of the reactant is Cu2 plus. Concentration, molar concentration indicated by square bracket. Another one molecule is ammonia NH3 power 4. Ammonia power 4. Stability constant. What is the relation between the numerator quantity and the stability constant? If the concentration of Cu2 plus NH3 4 times 2 plus increases, the value of stability complex also increases. If the concentration of numerator increases, the value of stability constant also increases. Therefore, greater the value of stability constant, greater is the stability of the complex. So, greater the value of stability constant beta, greater is the stability of the complex. Whenever beta value increases, the compound becomes more stable. Generally, a coordination complex are stable in their solution state. However, the complex ion can undergo dissociation to a small extent. The extent of dissociation depends on strength of the metal ligand bond. Stronger the metal ligand bond, lesser is the dissociation. So, whenever the metal ligand bond becomes stronger, lesser is the dissociation. In aqueous solution, when complex ion dissociate For example, Cu NH3 4 times 2 plus. In aqueous solution, when the complex ion dissociate, there is an equilibrium exists between undissociated complex ion and dissociated ions. In aqueous solution, there will be an equilibrium between the undissociated complex ion and dissociated ion. Hence, the stability of the metal complex can be expressed in terms of dissociation constant or instability constant alpha. Beta is stability constant, alpha is instability constant. You know how to write alpha value? Product always the numerator. We have copper 2 plus and NH3 concentration of amine NH3 power 4 times divided by Cu 2 plus NH3 4 times 2 plus NH3 4 times 2 plus. This is your instability constant. So already we discussed the beta value. This is alpha value. Now nearby alpha value. Now I write the beta value. The reciprocal of alpha value is beta value. What is beta value? We discussed it. The numerator is copper 2 plus NH3 4 times 2 plus and the denominator is copper 2 plus NH3 copper 2 plus concentration NH3 power 4 times. Compare these two. Compare these two. Now place the beta value, stability constant value as such. When these two right hand sides are equal, when the reciprocal of the right hand side of alpha value, when this value is reversed and the both the right hand sides are equal, when these are reciprocal reversed, alpha value also 1 by alpha becomes 1 by alpha, beta equal to 1 by alpha, beta equal to 1 by alpha. So this is the relationship between, or you can also write alpha equal to 1 by beta, alpha equal to 1 by beta. The reciprocal of instability constant is stability constant. Now we are going to discuss significance of stability constant, significance of stability constant. We have two constant, one is beta stability constant, another one is alpha instability constant. In aqueous solution, the complex undergoes small dissociation. For that dissociation reaction, we can write alpha instability constant, also called dissociation equilibrium constant. For the formation of complex ion, we can write beta value. The stability of coordination complex is measured in terms of stability constant beta. Higher the value of stability constant for a complex ion, greater is the stability. Now I am going to write some of the complexes and we are going to compare the stability constant and the instability constant. The complex ion first given, the complex ions are given. For the given complex ion, two values we are going to write. One is instability constant value, instability constant value, instability constant. What is the symbol? Alpha, instability constant. Second one is stability constant. Second one is stability constant. What is stability constant? Stability constant is nothing but beta. Beta. The first complex ion is ion complexes. Fe, S, C, N. Ion may be 2 plus or 3 plus oxidation state. Both ion, the coordination number is equal to 6. Ion 2 plus SCN minus 1 SCN 1 minus 6 SCN 6 minus, so we will get minus 4 on the complex. It is an ambidentate ligand. Hexa thiocyanidO kappa S ferrate 2 ion. Hexa thiocyanidO kappa S ferrate 2 ion. The instability constant of this is 1 into 10 power minus 3. 1.0 into 10 power minus 3 alpha value. The beta value is 1.0 into 10 power plus 3 stability constant value. For the next complex, the second complex is our copper NH3 4 times 2 plus ion. Tetraamine copper 2 ion. Tetraamine copper 2 ion. For this complex, the instability constant is 1.0 into 10 power minus 12 and the stability constant is 1.0 into 10 power plus 12. 10 power plus 12. Silver cyanide complex Ag oxidation state always plus 1, Cn twice 1 minus. Dicyanide kappa C argentate 1 ion. Dicyanide kappa C argentate 1 ion. The instability constant is 1.8 into 10 power minus 19. 10 power minus 19. That for stability constant 5.4 into 10 power 18. We are going to discuss the stability constant beta value. Then the next compound is octahedral complexes cobalt 3 plus NH3 6 times hexaamine cobalt 3 ion. The instability constant value is 6.2 into 10 power minus 36 and that for stability constant value is 1.6 into 10 power 35. 10 power 35. One more complex, very most important complex is again cyanide complex mercury Hg Cn twice and the charge on the complex is 2 minus. This is 4 times. Mercury 2 plus tetracyanide kappa C hydroxylate 2 ion. Hydroxylate 2 ion. The instability constant value is 4.0 into 10 power minus 42. Stability constant value is 2.5 into 10 power 41. From this value, we can tell which one complex is stable and which complex is unstable. So, what is the condition? I have already told you that higher the value of stability constant, greater is the stability of the complex. Higher the value of stability constant, greater is the stability of the complex. When you compare all the stability constant value by comparing the stability constant values, we can say among the 5 complexes HgCN4 2 minus, tetracyanidocapacihydroxylate 2 ion 2.5 into 10 power 41 is more stable, and this complex is least stable. What is that complex? FeCN6 4 minus is the least stable. Thank you for watching this video. In this video we have discussed about the stability of coordination compound by using stability constant and instability constant. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.